Mr. President, Mr. Commissioner, avian flu is clearly a major fatal threat to birds and to humans. Millions of avian deaths have recently been caused by the responsible virus, and many human demises have been attributed directly to the high pathogenicity avian flu virus. But avian flu is not a new disease. In fact, it is thought to have been around ever since viruses themselves were discovered, and is most likely to be just as old as the common flu virus itself, i.e. probably many thousands of years old. The threat to humans is not new either. Studies using molecular biology techniques indicate that the influenza pandemic which erupted at the end of World War I was in fact caused by an avian flu virus. That pandemic killed approximately 50 million people. It is of interest that with most influenza pandemics, as with most influenza pandemics, the 1918 flu pandemic only lasted about 1 year and gradually disappeared in the subsequent period. And this happened without the use of any antiviral agents or vaccines or radical measures in poultry farming, but thanks to the most effective means of disease defence called natural resistance. This should perhaps cause us to consider carefully how drastic our precautionary measures should be. And this is why I agree with both the Commissioner and the rapporteur that a balanced approach is the most rational to take. I feel that any measures we take should be in concordance with nature's defence mechanisms and not in opposition to them. So it is my view that A, close scientific monitoring of the epidemiology and molecular biology of the avian flu viruses is essential. B, massive culling of LPAI infected holdings is not strictly necessary. Let us remind ourselves that we have been eating scraby infected sheep and goats for over 200 years and no human has yet died from scraby infection. C, vaccinations of flocks is costly, cumbersome and perhaps of dubious significance. Rather, we should aim at the research and promotion of the breeding of naturally resistant birds. D, assistance to developing countries to improve primitive holding conditions and poultry food hygiene is very important. And lastly, E, the panic stocking of antiviral drugs of doubtful effectiveness and without proper scrutiny of their sometimes lethal side effects is not wise. It deprives much needed resources from healthcare systems and mainly helps pharmaceutical companies to become even richer than they already are. Thank you.